comedian and TV chat show host John Bishop has revealed his devastation at losing a family pet that he described as the heartbeat of our family. The Liverpudlian performer told his 860,000 followers about losing pet pig Milo, who was the first rescue animal he and his family adopted more than a decade ago. Writing to his Instagram followers, he shared snaps of himself with Milo, including one where he is pictured feeding the pig from a bowl of fruit. He also shared a snap of his wife Mel cuddling up to Milo and beaming for the camera. Sharing the news of Milo's death in a touching Instagram post to his followers, John wrote, "Today we lost a friend. Milo was the first rescue animal at Melbish One adopted when I returned home from a tour to find him in the garden. Since then he has been the heartbeat of our animal family. I am so grateful that at Melbish One captured me sat with him last weekend, something I would often do until he would get bored of me and move away." He continued, "He has lived with us for over a decade and wandered wherever he wanted. He had special relationship with Mel's mum and a unique bond with Mel." The Scouse star also revealed he had never planned to have a pig as a pet, as he wrote, "I never ever thought we would have a pig as a pet, and I never knew how much I would miss him knowing he won't be there when I go into the garden. Like all pets, he gave so much more than he took. Good night Milo, I am going to miss our chats." Fans of the star have flooded the comedian with messages of support, as one wrote, "Bless Milo. You surely gave him the best retirement a pig, or anyone, could ever hope for. Lots of love." Another added, "Am so sorry for your loss. I love the posts about him. His fear of the tiles, the love of Choxy biscuits and the occasional Divas drop. Sleep easy Milo, you will be missed. So sorry for your loss. Animals are such an important part of a family. R.I.P. Milo," said a third. John's wife Mel wrote, "Always my little wandering prince." Comedy and TV star Paddy McGuinness commented, "Gutted to hear that pal. My kids loved meeting him. Proper character." Ex-soap actress Claire Sweeney added, "So sorry ex." Singer Louise Redknapp shared, "Sending lots of love ex." The loss of Milo joins another loss of John Bishop, who lost his mother earlier this year in March. The star was set to perform in Mother Goose alongside Sir Ian McKellen but was forced to pull out when mum Kathleen died. The actor revealed she had seen him perform in the comedy pantomime 2 weeks earlier before tragically passing away. Do you have a story to sell? Get in touch with us at webcelebs@trinitymirror.com or call us direct 0207 29 33 033. Follow Mirror Celebs on Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter and Facebook.